Gazer. Coming at y'all with another one, Gazer Squad. No DJ Khaled. Today, we're going to talk about how you, right now, can raise your vibration. But first, let's not skip the intro. Welcome back to the channel. Now listen, I apologize to anybody who was here before 100 subscribers, who was watching these videos and was wondering where I went. Okay, I've been busy, okay? Just realize, you see, I'm not holding this phone, the tripod is. You see, I got a mic right here, all right? I've been making moves, all right? I ain't forget about y'all. I never forgot about y'all. Go ahead and make sure you click that subscribe button. Make sure you like this video because I will deliver content to you. I will give you value real quick. This video is for anybody new and anybody who hasn't seen my recent videos on how to raise their vibration. This is the final video on how to raise your vibration. You want to raise your vibration because when you raise your vibration, it puts you in alignment with the universe. When you're in alignment with the universe, who you truly are, then it's easier to manifest the things you desire. That Lamborghini you want to drive. But in order to manifest these type of things, you must get on that frequency. To get on that frequency, you gotta raise your vibration. Take care of yourself. And in this video, I'm gonna give you 12 ways to raise your vibration, maybe even more. Starting with number 1, meditation. Meditation. If you're melanated, sun gazing is also acceptable. I sun gaze, okay? Sun's right here, that's the creator. But if you're not melanated, don't do it. It'll burn your eyes out, all right? Okay, but meditation works for everybody. I have a video on meditation coming soon where I will teach you guys on how to meditate because a lot of people got a question about it, okay? But on to the next thing. Wait, before we go past this, let's not skip sun gazing because that's very powerful. If you're melanated, sun gazing will literally help you receive information, okay? Just like how I just received this information, literally, if you're a melanated sun gazer, it will help you receive information. If you understand that, then get out here in the morning and start sun gazing. Make that part of your daily habit. Okay, on to the next thing. Number 2, be conscious of your thoughts. Okay, this is a very powerful one. Okay, number 2. A lot of people find themselves, they'll let one little tiny thing happen at the beginning of the day, rule their entire day. And next thing you know, they're pissed at the world, they're pissed at everybody for the rest of the day. All because they spilled some grape on their shirt. Okay, you gotta realize, the second you attach yourself to your thoughts or attach yourself to something in this world, you're gonna begin suffering, whether you like it or not. For instance, I could have woke up this morning and spilled some grape on my shirt, and now, since I let that irritate me and nag me on, I'm looking for anything negative in my day to prove the point that this world is negative, and I'm just gonna keep looking for justification to show that this world is negative. Versus, if I spill some grape on my shirt and look at it, oh, okay, I'm not this body, I'm not this shirt, I'm nothing in this world, I'm just a soul in here temporarily, that just cuts it off instantly. I keep moving on with my day. You see the difference there? Plan 1, I could have let something tiny influence my entire day and then keep me at a low energy level and ruin my entire day. Now I'm not going to be productive. The other path I took, now I can still be productive throughout the day. I can get things done. I could keep connecting towards the source, okay? Gotta know the difference. Be aware of your thoughts, man. That's a powerful one to raise your vibration. Number 3, show gratitude. Okay, this is number 3, show gratitude. This is a very powerful one, okay? As I said, if I'm delivering value, if I'm giving you good value, delivering the content, leave a like, subscribe, okay? Share this video, share this with people you think might need this information. A lot of people need this information because there's a lot of bots out here, okay? Bots, robots, okay? They sleep, all right? They program. It's our job to wake them up. That's what we came here for. We gotta serve our purpose. If you on this video, you probably got a purpose just like me. This is our purpose, man. All right, if you understand me, man, we gotta do this together. All right, you see what I'm doing? Who says you can't do this? I'm recording with a phone. I work the job, I got a tripod, I got a mic. Who says you can't do the same? Okay? Show gratitude. Be grateful for the little things, okay? That will raise your vibration. Be grateful for the little tiny things because there's people in third world countries going through hell, okay? Meanwhile, we in America, and we got it very sweet. We got a lot of opportunities where you think you don't or not. Whether you're at the bottom class or the high class in America, bottom class in America is like 10 times high class in the third world countries, okay? You gotta understand these type of things. They're very serious, okay? Have fun in life, show gratitude, okay? Be grateful. When people tell you to be grateful, they're not telling you that to nag you on, they're telling you that because it's gonna raise your vibration. When you show gratitude, it will raise your vibration and get you in tune with the frequency that will get you in a Lamborghini, and get you in a Rolls Royce, okay? Okay, step number 4, crystal healing. I ain't gotta talk about this one too much, man. Go get you some crystals, man. Mix meditation with crystal healing, you're gonna see some exponential growth, okay? Exponential growth with your spiritual body. Okay, crystals get your chakras in tune, and chakras are your spiritual body on this round, okay? So put 2 and 2 together. Put 2 and 2 together and see what you got, okay? Practice meditation with some crystals. This is like my 3rd or 4th time recording the video, man. I done had my phone overheating some more stuff. See, I'm right back at it again. You know what I'm saying? Get some crystals. I'm about to go pick up some crystals myself, okay? And I recommend that you go to a crystal store and see what crystals you're attracted to. See what crystals you have a attraction for, okay? Number 5, listen to audio frequencies. Listen to binaural beats, okay? This is the difference. Audio frequencies are like hertz, like 432 hertz, the hertz of healing, love. 528 hertz, the Meanwhile, on the other hand, a binaural beat changes, when you listen to a binaural beat, it changes the waves that your brain is going at, the speed. So for example, if you was to listen to like 4 hertz, a 4 hertz binaural beat, it would slowly start changing your brain to theta waves. Once you get on theta waves, you can start changing your belief system, reconstructing how your brain is perceiving the world, changing your beliefs. Because once you change your beliefs, you'll start changing the certain actions you take, the certain feelings you feel, which will change the certain results you get. And then you will create a new cycle. You won't be on autopilot no more. Number 6, take a walk in nature. Get outside, okay? Get outside. You ain't gotta be cooped up in your room all day. Come outside. Come outside barefoot. Connect with the ground. One thing you must learn is your body has a lot of positive ions, which is not good. Meanwhile, the earth has a lot of negative ions, which is good. So when you come out here and put your bare feet on the ground, it's like the ground takes the bad energy out of your body, okay? So that's why it's good to come out here barefoot. Like I said, anything I say you feel like it doesn't resonate with you, do your research on it, okay? It's about what resonates with you. That's why this video about what resonates with me. See what resonates with you, see what vibrates with you, and take action on it, okay? Don't just be a knowledge geek. Take action on the things you learn. Number 7, clean your room. Yes, you watching this video right now. Clean your room right now. Right now. Why is this so urgent? Why is this such in a worry? Why is it such in a rush? Because this world works in shapes and numbers, okay? So a square contains energy, okay? Look up young Pharaoh shapes and colors and he'll teach you about all this stuff, okay? Squares and rectangles contain energy. So if your room is all junky and messy, it's containing that type of vibe, that type of energy. So that's gonna reflect on you. So now you're gonna be feeling all groggy, feeling all messed up and want to have the energy to do the things you wanna do. Why? Because your room is dirty, okay? So if you wanna raise your vibration, get up and clean your room right now. Let's see how you start feeling. On to the next thing. Number 8, move your body. Start dancing, exercise, stretch. Every morning stretch. Why should you stretch every morning? Because when you wake up, when you go to sleep, you might go to sleep with some bad energy and you might wake up with that energy. So it's good to stretch every morning so that way you can just let all that energy out, let it go. Let all that energy out of your system, stretch. Start the day off right, okay? It'll raise your vibration because you're getting all that negative energy out the way, okay? Raising your vibration either has to do with taking away the things that will lower it or doing things that will raise it, okay? Those are the 2 main ways to raise your vibration. This is one of the things to remove things that will lower it. Get that bad energy out your system, stretch, okay? On to the next thing. Number 9, drink healthy water, okay? Why should you drink healthy water? Because first of all, let's just start here. Cut out that sink water. Cut out the sink water, okay? Invest in a water purifier. Don't get water bottles, get a water purifier. Why? Why should you do this? Why should you get a water purifier? Why is spiritual tea telling me to stop drinking sink water? Because sink water has fluoride, okay? Certain toothpaste has fluoride. What is fluoride? They say fluoride is good for your teeth, but guess what? It's bad for your soul. Why is it bad for your soul? Because your pineal gland is right here. That's the seat of the soul. Fluoride fogs up your pineal gland. So if your pineal gland is fogged up, it's gonna be hard for your soul, okay? And that's who you truly are. So you wanna avoid the fluoride. Do research on the things I'm telling you, take notes. This is serious stuff here, man. Take notes, okay? And learn from the things I'm telling you, because these will change your life. This is how you get in alignment with your desires in order to make them your reality, okay? This is how successful people have made their reality the way it is. Doing these things I'm telling you right now, okay? This is how I'm gonna become successful. Doing these things I'm telling you right now. You either get ahead with the train or get left by the train, okay? Simple. Number 10. By the way, when you're drinking healthy water, you want to make sure you're making it alkaline. Put some lemon in there. Lemons might be acidic on the outside, but when you digest them in your body, they become alkaline. So put some lemons in there, okay? We are electric beings. We don't want acid in our body, okay? We would want alkaline because that's electricity. And like I just said, we are electric beings, okay? On to number 10. Show kindness, okay? Give out compliments, okay? Be loving and caring to others, whether they hurt you or not. Show love for people. Be kind. Why should you be kind, and how will it raise your vibration? That person just hurt me last week. Why should I give a fuck about them? Because realize we're all one. This is all one thing. Whether you believe it or not, this is all one thing. So when you show kindness to somebody else, that's like you're showing kindness to yourself. We're all one. So when you show kindness to somebody else, that's like showing kindness to yourself, and the world sees that. Well, on to the next thing, number 11. I hope you guys are enjoying the video, by the way. Number 11, eat healthy. Get rid of that GMO food. Stop it, okay? Get some help, stop it. Start eating natural food, okay? Stop eating that, all them cookies, all them donuts, all them chips. Yeah, I'm talking to you. Stop eating all that nonsense, man. It's not good for you. And if you're gonna eat it, cut it down. Cause all that stuff, things break down into two categories, alkaline or acid, okay? Just like the pH scale, what they taught us in school, alkaline or acid. You wanna be on the alkaline side. That's the healthy side. That's the electric side. We are electric beings. The acid side is how you start getting diseases. How? Because when you eat, if I was to eat a bag of donuts right now with some chips, all that stuff would break down in my body as acid, okay? It would break down into mucus, acid, fat, okay? That gives a host for a disease to come in and live off of that and grow. So how do you avoid that? You don't let it into your body in the first place. See what I'm saying? Okay? Switch to an alkaline diet. Start eating more healthy, okay? Cut out meat. Meat is full of pus, mucus, all type of stuff, especially the meat they feed us in America, okay? Stop it, okay? This for real. Eat healthy, okay? When it comes to your spiritual journey, meditation, supplements, all that other stuff is only 50%, but your diet is 50% by itself. Your diet is 50% by itself. Another thing about meat, you must realize when you eat meat in the spiritual realm, it gives your soul a stench. So you would be less likely to receive guidance or help from your angels from above if you eat meat, because it gives your soul a stench, like it stinks. It makes your soul stink, like somebody who just put it on yourself. It just stinks, okay? So that's another reason you should think about just cutting off meat, okay? And if you're a Caucasian, it's gonna be hard for you to cut off meat. Okay, I ain't gotta go into why. I know why, but it's gonna be hard for you to cut off meat, but I know you can do it, man. You got me on your side, you can do it, okay? Cut off meat. Last but totally not least, number 12. Semen retention, okay? Semen retention, number 12, okay? For girls, this is not having sex. Why should you do this? Oh, I love having sex. I love the pleasure of it. Okay, you got two sides. You got two paths you could go down on. You could go down the path of pleasurizing this body. That's on a time scale. This body is gonna get ate up by bugs soon, or get buried in ashes by your family. Or you could go down the path of taking care of your soul. This ego is only 5%. You want to take care of your soul, okay? When you go on semen retention, it takes care of your soul by giving your soul more energy. When you grow your seed inside of you guys, when you keep that seed, instead of letting it out on some girl's back or letting it out on your hand or on some sheets, when you let it grow inside of you, it could do bigger things that is unexplainable. Like, it's crazy what it could do for you. Like, I'm not even gonna spoil it. Like, don't even be thinking about the words too much, or else you're gonna miss them, okay? Semen retention is powerful, okay? I'm about to wrap up this video, man. I hope you love the video. Leave a like and subscribe. I want you to comment the top thing on this list that caught your attention, okay? Take action on these things right now. You won't be successful ever in life unless you learn to take action. take action on these things right now that would change your life. Gaze. Spiritual T, signing out.